Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Escalade. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.